everyone, Dr. Bless here of Haiti Community Trust, and I am here live at the Goute Peyi, New Jersey, and I'm going to give you live coverage, interviews, ambiance. I'm here looking fabulous, and I'm so happy to be here at Pieces of Haiti, sharing the amazing moment tonight with you all.
There's Haitian in the house. There's Haitian in the house. So, good evening, everybody. Thank you so very much for being here, and thank you so much for this amazing establishment for hosting our very first Haiti Community Trust event outside of Miami. Right? So, thank you so much.
That success is inevitable. Whatever we put our minds to together, I come as one, but I stand as 10,000. We can accomplish together.